Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. My name is Bree. Today we're packing because I'm going on a weekend trip to visit my dad. I'm packing up my family, me, my husband, and our dog Grace, and we're hitting the road. So first things first, I gotta pack some clothes. Now I did end up overpacking per usual, and so y'all see I just packed this dress. I'm packing this top because I planned on wearing it with these jeans, but that did not at all happen because one, the weather was a bit rainy and not as warm as I thought it would be. So yeah, but I am packing outfits. When I pack my suitcase, I like to pack full outfits. I'm about to give a number, but it depends on how long I'm gonna be staying, where I'm going. This was just a quick weekend trip, so I packed about 3 to 4 full outfits and then some extra shirts just to kind of change them up between the jeans and shorts or whatever I might have wanted to do. And like I said, I ended up way overpacking because the weather just was not giving hot at all, and I was like, you know what, when I think about it, we're not staying as long as I packed. But anywho, now we move on to shoes. I did pack my sambas, and then I packed 2 pair of heels, which I did not wear at all, and a pair of sandals. And honestly, the only shoes I wore the entire trip were my Crocs, the shoes that I left with on my feet. Yeah, hindsight is definitely 2020. Your girl overpacked for sure, but it's better to have too much than not have enough. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into like my toiletries, my body care, skincare, all that good stuff. So I'm on my scarf and my hair. I still gotta put my wig on. But this is my toiletry bag. My sister actually got this for me years ago as a birthday gift, and I use it every time I'm going somewhere. Put all my travel size stuff in it. Oh, gotta keep putting some stuff in here. I need toothpaste. It's toothpaste I use. I need some floss. I'm gonna just take this out of floss. I'm gonna take a new toothbrush. That should be enough. I'm gonna take a pack of cotton rounds. I have one already open in my beauty or at my vanity, so I'm gonna take that. Okay, so the soap I'm taking is my Saltaire. This is the saltwater vanilla, and I always have my Dove antibacterial soap. I wish I had a smaller one. That's all I have. And then I'm gonna take my La Roche Mila B face wash. Let me rearrange some things. Okay. So it sticks out like this. I can't push the thing down and twist it. That's what my mom normally does. But then I'm wasting soap, and I don't really like that. But let's see. Okay, I got it. Did y'all know y'all could do that? My mom has been doing that for forever, since I was young. Okay, so it's locked. If it's down, it's in there. Alright, so I'm gonna take that. I need to close this one as well. Y'all, this one ain't gonna close. I was twisting it the wrong way. Alright, I got it. Oh, there's soap in my sink. Alright, got that. Those are my 2 body washes. I don't think I'm gonna take another body wash. That's enough. I do want to take some shaving cream and a razor so I can shave my underarms if I need to. You know, these are the only razors I use. I've been using these since middle school, I think. And this is the only shave cream I use. I have very sensitive skin, so it works for me. All right, now I need my deodorant. I have 2. I use this under my arms, and I use this in like the, you know, when your thighs rub together in that area, stuff like that. So if you know, you know. So I'm gonna pack both of these. I need a lotion. I need my oil, body oil with my lotion. And I need a spray. I think I'm gonna just take a travel size spray. I have so many travel size sprays, and I think that's gonna be good enough for me. I do need a lotion though. Lately I've been using my Fresh and Cozy, which is this one, the EOS. Lately I've been using that, so I might just pop this in there. I'm trying to think, because I don't really want to take a big old thing of lotion, but I mean I'm gonna need lotion, you know. So It is what it is. I'll just get my scent together. Since I'm going with saltwater vanilla, I want something that'll complement it. Coconut or something. I do have this, but girl, it's barely anything in there. This is the Way St. Bart's body cream. This stuff is so good. Not only does it, excuse me, not only does it smell delicious, when I say it moisturizes, I be moisturized until my next shower, and I take a shower twice a day. So it's like I could feel the moisture like when I get back under the water. Girl, I don't even know if that makes sense, but I like this. I think I'm gonna just pack this, call it a day. We do have a lotion in the car as well if I need a little bit more. I think that's it. Got my soap, deodorant, face wash. I need to grab my face serums and stuff like that, but that'll go in my makeup bag. I got my shave cream, razor. I got my body oil. I got some body cream. I got toothbrush, toothpaste, floss. I got Q-tips, and I think that's it. Yeah, I think this is good. We rocking and rolling with this. I do need to put a washcloth. I know, like, we're staying at a hotel, and I know the hotels provide washcloths and stuff, but I always just like to bring my own just in case. Like, I don't know, I like to do that. My mom actually taught me that. I grew up doing that, so I'm gonna just take 2 washcloths just in case I need them for whatever reason. So put those in there too. All right, this is done. Got all my body stuff in here. A spray. I want to take this saltwater vanilla spray, but it's so big. Oh, it smells so good, but it's so big. Let me see. I do have my Creme Couture. I have been wearing this. In the last video, I definitely told y'all this is going to be my fall scent. I'm going to have to get another one because I couldn't wait to wear it. So I might take this. This is cute, and this will fit in my little purse as well. I'm going to stick it in here, though. Stick it in here just so it's with the other body things. All right, this is done. Period. Cool. All right, body care, check. Let's move on to skincare. We gotta go to my vanity for that. Guess what, babe? I'm almost done. That's all I got. Well, I'm about to pack my skincare and my makeup. This all I got, Greg.
That's all you got.
Look, my shoes in here.
I see what you're showing me.
What?
That's all you got.
I gotta put socks in there, and I need to put some underwear and some pajamas.
That's all you got.
That's all I got, babe.
Okay.
What?
Okay.
I'm coming in here. You don't believe me?
I hear you.
All right, time for the skincare, y'all. I mean, ain't got no faith in me. Rightfully so, because I do be bringing like the whole house. Okay, so rightfully so, I understand. But I'm telling you, that's all I got. I had already started to pack my makeup yesterday. Let me make sure I still want to bring this. All right, so I got my concealer, eyebrow gel, pressed powder, check. My cream bronzer, check. I got a brightening concealer just in case I might want to use that. This Essence foundation stick, I'm gonna have to, did I talk about this on the vlog shot? I don't even know. We're gonna have to get into this because I've been loving it lately. So I got that, and then I have put 2 lip oils in my bag as well. I need a powder bronzer. Take the NYX powder bronzer. I'm gonna need my Sephora Micro Smooth powder. Actually, I don't need that because I can use that pressed powder. I am gonna take a little bit of loose setting powder just in case. I don't know, the face might cause for a even more snatched beat. So I'm gonna take that, and I think I'm gonna take this too because that's just so pretty. All the glitter in it. Setting spray, take my e.l.f. Power Grip setting spray. I've been loving that lately. Like, I don't know what it is. When I first bought that months ago, was it months ago? Early this year, late last year, whenever it had originally first came out, I didn't like it at all, but now I like it. And I've used this one time and I absolutely love it. This is what I had on in that in the last vlog when we were at the gas station. I believe this is what I had on. I'm gonna take it out the packaging so it fits a little better in the bag. And my powder puffs, I'm gonna just take a powder blush just because I don't want to, well, I mean, this ain't but that big. I was about to say just because I don't want to overcrowd the bag, but this is not even that big. So let's go ahead and put this stuff in here. Ooh, it's not all gonna fit. Okay, so slight change in plans. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna take this bag. This is what I normally put my I've been looking for this, my concentrator. This is what I normally put my makeup in when I'm traveling. So I'm gonna put the makeup in here, and I'm gonna put the brushes in this cute little pouch. Oh, I need my mascara. Been loving this It Cosmetics mascara down. So we're gonna take her, but also these press-on lashes. Yes, ma'am. We're gonna put that in here. Okay. So I'm gonna make up. Now let's put the brushes in here. I have my e.l.f. Complexion Duo brush. Listen, y'all don't mind my brushes, okay? I didn't clean them, but they're mine, so it's gonna be okay. And I have the Real Techniques blush brush in number 400, and then I have the Real Techniques brush in 449 and 261. 449 I used to just wipe off excess powder or press it into my skin. Couldn't figure out the word. And then 261 I use for my contour and bronzer. And then this is just a, oh, this was a Morphe brush. I don't know the number or anything, but I use it for eyeshadow. Just throw a little something up there with on my eyelids. So I'm pack that as well. Or should I take this? This is my Sephora 47 brush. See, this is my problem. I be like, I'm gonna take this, and then I look around and I say, ooh, maybe I should take this one instead, or maybe I should take both, because you never know, just in case. I need to stop just in casing it, you know what I'm saying? Stop doing that. I got what I got, and that's my brushes. It's my makeup, and this should be able to fit in my suitcase. Now, for hair, I actually need to put my hair on my head. So, give me a second, I'll be right back. I just realized I didn't even put any skincare in the bag. So, take my Tower 28 spray. Of course, my La Roche Triple Repair moisturizing cream. And I think that might be it. Actually, I do want to take this. Just help me take my makeup off. Eye cream. I think that's it. I'm gonna take the travel size of the Third Spurge drops that I showed y'all in the last video. It'll be me like trying it, but also it saves space, so I don't have to take my big old serum that's over here and run the risk of breaking it because it's in glass. I'm gonna take this. So now let's go ahead and put everything in the bag, or grab my hair first and then see what we're working with. I got my hair on. Looks cute. Y'all saw a little clip of it. Everything is going pretty smoothly. All of my things are packed. Here's my stuff. This is Grace's stuff. We got her towels, her frisbee towels, frisbee washcloth, some snacks, her brush, and then her food is down in there. Y'all can see. I just need to get her food bowl, her water bowl. No, her food bowl is in there. I need to grab her water bowl from over there. This is my body care bag. These are my clothes. My makeup and stuff is in there, and my shoes, underclothes, pajamas, all that good stuff. My husband's bag is here. He getting his stuff together. The last thing I need to pack is you guys. I need to, hold on. I need to put y'all somewhere safe and sound. I'm probably gonna put the camera just in my bag, but I need to pack the chargers, the computer, the SD cards, the chip readers. Is it chip reader? What is it called, babe? Adapters, that's what it is. Maybe the little mics. Maybe the little mics. I might need that walking around town. But yeah, that's pretty much it, right, babe? Grab that stuff, grab my dog, grab my man, and we'll be heading out. Hopefully we get on the road pretty soon. It is 4 o'clock now, I believe. Where's my phone at? Yeah, it's 4:02. So I just looked up the traffic and stuff. If we left right now, we would get there in 4.5 hours, but we're not leaving right this second, so we're probably gonna be another, how long, babe? Another what, 30 minutes, an hour? You still got stuff in the washing machine?
Oh no, that's just washing, because might as well.
Oh, okay. So we just waiting for the stuff in the dryer?
Yeah.
Okay. So maybe another 30, 45 minutes to an hour. So we probably won't leave till about 5. And at that time, y'all know 5 o'clock rush hour traffic. Hopefully it's not too bad when we get ready to go. But yeah, we're on our way. But that's gonna conclude this video, y'all. I just want to do a little pack with me, show y'all what I'm taking. Did I add anything? I just added some edge control in my rat tail comb, and that was it. Oh, and my bonnet, but you know, that ain't nothing. Oh, the last thing I do need to pack though is my jewelry, because I didn't pack any. Luckily I do have like a little travel size jewelry box thing, container. box holder. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna just take little earrings. I don't be doing too much really. It's the same necklaces I wear every day, the same earrings I wear every day. So I'm gonna just pack those. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next video, and we're going to, that's when we're gonna hit the road. Really, y'all gonna spend 4.5, 5 hours with us on the road. The video not gonna be that long, but it's gonna be us traveling. So yeah, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell if you want to keep up with my weekend trip and anything else that I do here on my channel. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all later. Bye.